Today, we are proud to introduce your ultimate smart guardian, the Jaify Smart Keypad Door Lock with Handle. Next, you will be introduced to the features of the smart lock. Multiple door opening methods, fingerprint, passcode, card, app, key. Supporting Bluetooth pairing for quick and easy setup. Multiple password types, permanent, one-time, recurring, and time-limited passwords. JAIFY App, manage access permissions and view entry or exit records. User management. Permission sharing. Protects against password theft by allowing you to enter extra numbers before and after your real PIN. Tamper alarm. Easy to find, buy, and replace. Type-C port for emergency charging. The Jaify Smart Keypad Door Lock with Handle. Smart protection, security on the go. Choose Q20. Choose assurance. With Jaify, with safety.